Alright, so I'm going to try and finish this today. Hopefully I'll have no more battle with it. But I've already marked it where I want to cut it. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to videotape because it's so close to the toilet. I got my lighter camera. Gonna just sit it on the toilet. And see if I can get it. Not that's exciting video, but you know, it's something. Alright, there it is, and no more crack. Okay, so the piece is cut off. I've got the rubber connectors on both ends of my PVC 4-inch pipe. It's been cut, and I already checked the fit. It's a little tight, but it's okay. And so let's see what I can do. Alright, so that's it. It's already starting to smell better in here. It's really not too complicated a repair. The PVC pipe cost me $54 for a 10-foot section, and about $5 for each of the rubber connectors. And then it's just how it is you want to cut the pipe. There is actually a tool designed specifically to cut, but it's too expensive for me, and I have no need for it, because hopefully I won't be doing this kind of plumbing, at least for a while. So I'm going to go upstairs and see if I can flush the toilet and see what happens. That's the big test. Alright, so here's the toilet, the main bathroom. So here's the stack that vents all the way up through the roof. And I just hooked up this toilet. I'm going to be replacing this toilet because it's a little short for all of us. But All seems good. Alright, I don't know if you can see this at all in here, but I'm in the basement now, and this is where the pipe comes into the basement from the bathroom. I think that's the toilet, although it could be the other pipe that goes to the west wing. That is currently not working because it's still frozen over there. But I don't seem to have any leaks. I don't have any smells. I think I've done it. You're a noisy eater. Well, hello.
Hey guys, so we are in my room. It's not done yet, but my bed is done. I took Kevin's captain's bed, so I have drawers down here.
You're always taking my stuff.
I gave you my bed. The reasoning is because I was going to do a pallet or a shiplap headboard, but that might change now.
Of course.
Of course. So, anyway, yeah, I've just been up here doing some work today. We got some more sad news this morning. Unfortunately, y'all know Lee lost her mother on Thursday, and she lost her father this morning. She's having a real rough time, guys. Just keep sending your prayers, your positive thoughts, and yeah. So, luckily she's got a friend with her right now, so she's not alone. So, otherwise I would have been heading to Alabama because I wouldn't leave her alone. I wouldn't.
Oh, I can get some stuff done.
You've been getting stuff done. We got one of the bathrooms up here working now, but Kevin's got to replace that toilet because I will not use that toilet. Nope. Nope. So, and my toilet in here doesn't work because those pipes are in the
In the west wing.
in the north wing, the North Pole wing.
Yeah.
Nope. This little guy, or girl here, refuses to walk downstairs all of a sudden. So, we gotta carry her down the stairs.
I think we ought to create a slide.
Well, I figured when Mom's chairlift gets put in, it's right outside this door, and we get heat on this side of the house, then, you know, I could put her on the stairlift and send her down. Or, yeah, the chairlift and send her down.
Oh, are we weird or what?
Yeah.
All right.
So tomorrow Kevin's going to help me up here with a few things like hanging a TV.
If I can find TVs.
Yeah.
We got a bunch of them, but I don't know where they are. I know where one of them is, but it's the one I used to have in the basement.
What does that mean?
It's set up to sit on a rolling TV stand. I could bring that up here if you want.
No. No.
I know, you want your great big 46-inch TV?
Is that what was in my bedroom?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
We're not spoiled or anything.
I also want a faux fireplace there. So that has to come out.
Oh.
I want my mirror hung. And I need hangers, and I need my cardinal quilt.
don't need a cardinal
I
quilt.
have a cardinal quilt. I have no idea where it is.
Oh, okay.
I need to find it.
Okay, we'll find it.
You like my bench?
Yeah. Cat does.
Got it for free.
I know. It's the only seating you have in here.
I could fit my recliner in here, probably.
Probably on that window. In front of that window.
No, actually, one of the basket things that I have downstairs in the Scentsy room is going there to keep my hot tools in it for doing my hair and stuff.
All right.
Alright, I'm going back to sleep.
You go back to sleep. I'm gonna start dinner.
I haven't been asleep, but I want to go to sleep. I'm very tired. So, anywho, I think that's it. Hugs. Kisses. Love you all. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you tomorrow.
You pet your dog.
She wants to lick me, and she's got kitty litter breath.
Bye.